Welcome to Naga City, and we are in Magsaysay. Check this out. I just came to the river, Naga River, and check there. There's guys fishing. I think we should go there. I think we should go check it out. I mean, that's quite interesting. Let's go down here. I see there's stairs, it goes down. So I'm gonna go down there and see if these guys are catching something. So you see the river over here? Check all those trees and stuff that came out. This was probably from the flooding that happened. Okay, let's see. There's no board that says I cannot enter here, so I'm taking a chance. Ah, he's got fish. He actually got fish. That's amazing. Oh, I think that person is in the water. Very cool. Check there, guys, he's got fish. I don't know what you call this fish, but it's your own smaller ones. And he managed to catch some fish. Right in the city, you've got this major river. It's Naga River, and they're catching fish. Let's see if he's got fish. In the sun. Oh, I think the net got stuck. Oh, there's fish in there. Not many, but there's fish in there. Check the fish. Yeah, that's amazing, guys. Gamusa. And he managed to catch some. Look at him. I think they do it for, maybe they sell the fish, or it's basically just to consume it for themselves. I'm not 100% sure, but this is amazing. This was nice to see now. Okay, I'm gonna head on back to the road, and then we can see Magsaysay. And there's Krispy Kreme donuts. Enjoy EB. One beautiful hotel over there. This is Magsaysay. So this is still part of Naga, but I think this is a more new, like a newer area. And I never come to this area. Never. How nice is this? Welcome visitors. Viva ya Virgo. Shakies. Got a nice TV on top there. Probably some hotel or something. You know, it feels so good to walk here. It's fresh, it's clean. I'm very impressed. There's hot picture. There's a Biggs, there's always a fuel station. I bet they've got a little shopping there. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let's walk towards the end. Just taking a walk in Naga City, and I found this. Museo Jesse Robrero. This is like a museum of some kind. Now check how beautiful this is. And you can walk in there. I don't know if you can go in, it's not open now. But this is amazing, guys, come on. You know, kid statue. I don't know who that is. But yeah, how beautiful is this? Beautiful garden. Got some moss on the floor growing. This is just simply amazing. And then right after this, next door to it, you find something special that I did not expect. Check this out. On the way in Naga City. How nice is it to see this extraordinary kids doing skateboarding. So I know it's a dying sport, but wow.